Major updates today that we need to talk about, so we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing is that I have only 10 invite code for the GRVT airdrop, which is absolutely free to join. So make sure to go and get it. Only the first 10 to get it will be right in it. So leave it down below. And for now, all you have to do for this airdrop is to simply sign up, and that is it. Simply sign up with the link down below, be one of the 10, and that's it. Next up, a very important NFT over here from Optimism. This is the official on-chain summer from Optimism, from the Optimism account. We need to go and mint it. We got already 5,000 mints, so make sure to go and grab yours as soon as possible. 0.0007 ETH, so super simple, and of course cheap to go and enter. Right now potentially $2, $2.50. We need to go and farm it, we need to go and mint it, and we go and do it. Very important, this is for the next Optimism airdrop, which is going to be released in June. Make sure to do as much as possible on chain to be able to be eligible for the airdrop. You can mint it on the Arbitrum airdrop, you can beat it on the OP, anyone that you want. I have the Arbitrum one, so make sure to go and do it, as it is a very important. People are getting it. Make sure to grab it before it is over. From Optimism itself, one of the most important NFT that we have seen recently. Following up, we got a important tip from the Cosmos ecosystem to check out the new Leap Cosmos for swapping tokens. Now, why is this important? Well, this is important because it could potentially be an airdrop within the Cosmos ecosystem without a doubt. Leap Cosmos over here is, as we see, the only Cosmos wallet you'll ever need. So it is dedicated entirely to Cosmos, and it is potentially within the Cosmos ecosystem. It is very normal to have airdrops. There are a lot of airdrops. Some of them are minimal, like a couple of cents or a couple of dollars. Some of them are really good. So definitely go and grab it. Definitely go and check it out because it is important. It currently routes trade through both Osmosis Zone and Astroport Finance over on Cosmos, as well as utilizing the Circle CCTP to go cross-chain. So definitely important to grab it. I will go and test it out after the video, but it is trusted by already 221,000 people. So definitely something to go and follow up because it is going to be a juicy airdrop. Next up, we got an update from Carve. Now, Carve node whitelist sale is now live. You got less than 20 hours left to go and do it. You can check your eligibility and act fast over on the verifier.carve.io. And yes, this is the official Carve Twitter account, as we see here. So if you are a supporter, or if you are a supporter, they also got the possibility for the public sale tomorrow, which it could be something important if you want to go and, you know, save it on your calendar. Make sure to go and do it. You can connect your wallet and check out. I actually missed out on the Carve airdrop simply because I didn't go and farm it. So do not make my mistake, which is not ideal. Following up, we got another update over on the Cosmos ecosystem. This is for Jolt. There has been a change on the terms of the airdrop to one where you need to buy Jolt in order to be airdrop Jolt. So on Jolt over on the Cosmos ecosystem, you can check your eligibility on the link that I will give down below on the spreadsheet. All you have to do once you're on the spreadsheet, do not go and check your wallet manually. Simply go and do like this, which gives you the possibility to go and check. So if you go Command F on a MacBook, I do believe it's any other wallet, simply go and insert your wallet here, copy and paste it, and you will be checking if it is you're eligible. Below 1,000 points, you need to purchase at least $100 of Jolt. Between 1,000 and 5,000, you need to purchase at least 300 Jolt, and above 5,000, you need to purchase at least 500 Jolt. So definitely something to keep in consideration for the airdrop if you are within the Cosmos ecosystem. This is another update that you need to take care of. Following up, I do want to take an update over on the Pac Moon airdrop. And what are we looking for on the Pac Moon airdrop? Well, I did already receive my airdrop, so make sure to go and claim yours as well. It is right here. And I did receive approximately 2,257 Pac, which at time of recording is a 20 cent per Pac token, so approximately $300 to $400. And they're having another airdrop. And how do you earn it? How are you able to go and claim and earn this airdrop? Well, it lasts for 1 month, the whole month of June. And Pac, it is really simple. All you have to do is create content over on Twitter. Make sure to go and tag Pac Moon, and $Pac is the true request, which you are able to find also over here on how it works on their website, or simply follow all of my tutorial that I do post on a daily over on Twitter. Make sure to follow me as well over on Twitter. I post videos over video. I got 6 videos on how to participate for the airdrop. And all you got to do is I create videos, you can create photos, you can create GIFs, you can create music. All you have to do is tag Pac Moon, $sign Pac Moon, and make sure to be liked by validators. Validator is anybody that holds 10,000 or more Pac token in their wallet. So make sure to go and create your post, tag me as well. I will leave you a like, of course, if you come from here. This is my recent video. As you see, I get likes, I get retweet, I get comment, and it goes over to your profile, over here to your leaderboards. I have 62,000 points because of the likes that I received from the Pac Moon community, 61,000. Why does it go down, you may ask? Well, it is very simple. Because, for example, if somebody gives out the first like of the day, you go and get X amount of points. Then if they give another like, you get a little bit less points. This is because every validator has a total amount of points that they can give out to you, to 10 people, to 5 people, to 4 people. It is entirely up to them. And it is as simple as that. You create posts, you create content, you create videos, photos, GIFs, anything that you want, absolutely free to earn. You go and create your point. You can utilize my invite code down below. Make sure to go and enter it now because it is the easiest and the best free airdrop that you can go and get for yourself. Absolutely, yes, hands down. Following up, an update on the another Cosmos airdrop, the STRD. You can check your eligibility for the STDYDX holders, the details over on Stride Zone, which I will leave it down below. As we did talk about this Stride airdrop already, I personally did not participate, but we did talk about this, I remember, a month or so ago. So if you did follow the steps, you will have the possibility to have it in your wallet. On January 30th, Stride launched the STDYDX Stride airdrop. And now that period has concluded, and so users who had will soon be able to claim their allocated STRD. So if you're in the Cosmos ecosystem, make sure to go and check it out, this Stride app right here, as we go and access this Stride webpage directly. And this is within the Kepler wallet, so simply go and access your Kepler wallet and see whether or not you are eligible. I personally am not eligible because I simply did not do anything for it. But if you did follow me, if you did watch the account, if you did watch the videos and you were interested in it, potentially you could have the actual results of the airdrop. Next up, the Nostra token generation event and airdrop date has been announced. There's going to be 100 million total supply, 100% unlocked at launch, so potential for launch without anything else. 11% is airdrop to the community on token generation event, which is on June 17. Very important, June 17, it is the date that you are going to receive this airdrop. And let me know down in the comments below if you are or what are you working towards the Nostra airdrop, because the snapshot is not yet taken. So definitely something to go and participate if you still want to participate by the event. You got a little bit of time, make sure to go and do it, it is very, very important for it. Next up, we got the IO.net Ignition Reward Program Season 3 is now live over on the Galaxy Quest. Make sure to go and do it. They are valid until the end of the month, June 30th. So important that you go and do it. Passport holder, score holders, follow them, go over on Discord, visit the link, follow them. So absolutely free to go and do. You need to have, however, these two requirements in order to do all of them, and the free version as well as this other 50 points, 50 points, 50 points by simply YouTube, like, retweet. So another absolutely free to earn airdrop, which you do not want to miss. I will leave the link down below. Next up, a update over on the bridge, which you need to go and mint it and to farm it because it is coming. It is coming fast. People are getting a little bit upset because it's not coming super early, but it is gonna come fast. And right now you get a 1.1% multiplier on the D-Bridge protocol by simply staking your Jupiter. So what do we mean by it? Well, over here on D-Bridge, as we see, I will showcase you what it looks through my account. I got a 1.3% multiplier simply because I was in D-Bridge before they announced anything of airdrop related, so I got a multiplier. If you do not have a multiplier by now, what you can do to receive this multiplier, it is very, very simple. Simply go over on Jupiter, which we did talk about it already, and you need to have a few Jupiter token staked. I have 252 token staked already. And if you have more than 100 token, as we see over here, 100 Jupiter staked, you will be eligible for the 1.1% airdrop, which is definitely something important to go and have if you want to go and farm even more airdrops. If you are farming it, make sure to come with my community. We are nearly 200 of us. We are all gonna eat good and we are all gonna receive the airdrop. My suggestion is to go and spend at least $50 in transaction costs, as we see over here on the fees, which is what allows you to receive the airdrop, simply because they will cycle out a few people for the next airdrop. So definitely go and consider doing that. Next up, the data ownership protocol, the DOP, have announced that they have surpassed 380,000 token holders following the end of the testnet claim period, making us one of the top 15 holders community on the whole of Ethereum. Additionally, 98.8 million unclaimed DOP token, approximately 1.2% of the circulation supply, will be burned. So very, very good news from DOP if you are a participant in it, if you are, if you did participate in the testnet and now you are receiving also the mainnet, definitely something good. And for the price of your token, it is going to be really, really nice. Next up, Zeroland addressed that 20,000 wallets staked their Zero tokens, which was a little bit of a controversial airdrop, but worth mentioning that the 20,000 people have staked their tokens, average a lock-in period of 2 years. So over 2 years of stake protocol in average, which means that the price will, in my case, or in my opinion, will represent and will be represented in the charts, making the price go up, but it's just pure speculation on my side. Next up, VX, which we have gone and seen a lot, and I will tell you how to participate now, have released the newest testnet where the fresh light theme for brand new one-click connectivity across all features. Nothing super important, but as we see here, you can select directly. We can go on Sefolio, which is the wallet, or better, the ecosystem that we do participate in. You can go and sign up through the link down below. Thank you very much if you do. This is the testnet over here, and I will leave you the link down below. Definitely something important. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys. Super, super important. Make sure to go and do it, as well as the on-chain summer here for very important from Optimism. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, ciao.